All right, number 11 is very similar to number 9. We're gonna walk through it still, and I'll point out those few differences. So in the end, we're still trying to get x by itself. So we need to undo our multiplication of 4. So we get tangent of x over 2 is set equal to 2. Alright, so from here, the first difference is actually going to be that we need to use substitution. We don't just have tangent of x anymore. Anytime you don't have tangent of x or cosine of x, you need to use substitution and set u equal to whatever is inside of our trig function. Alright, once you do that, go ahead and rewrite it so that tangent of u is equal to 2. Now we're back to familiar territory. If we take the tangent inverse of left side, we get u. We've undone tangent. On the right side, tan inverse of 2. Again, not a unit circle exact answer. We're just going to go to our calculators, and we're going to find that u is set equal to 1.107. Okay. Now that we have u equal to a value, this is where you can go back and substitute, or basically undo your substitution of u. So in essence, we're saying x over 2 is equal to 1.107. So we still need to get x by itself. I'm going to come up here, multiply both sides by 2. We get x equals 2.214. And we have solved our tangent solution. Now, we've solved the initial inverse function, and we know that tangent just repeats itself over and over, so we don't have to go back and find the second solution within 0 to 2 pi. But what we do have to do is, where it says find all solutions, we need to tack on plus something times k. And I'm leaving that blank because this is no longer plus pi k for tangent. Here's the other difference between 9 and 11. 9, the period was just pi, so we tacked on pi times k. But with this one, our period becomes 2 pi over, well, our b is a half, so 2 divided by a half is just 4. So it's plus 4 pi k. Wow. I hope you weren't paying too much attention to that. Here's why. I was saying the period was 2 pi over b. And I'm hoping you caught that, everyone watching this, that period of tangent is not 2 pi over b, it is pi over b. So that becomes pi over 1/2, which is just 2 pi. So your final answer is the 2.214, which we got from earlier, plus the period times k. And the period of our tangent graph now has been changed from pi to 2 pi. So that's where you get your final answer.